So guys, today we'll talk about a special copy function. See, this is the table wherein product ID, product, seller, unit price and amount. And this column is formulated. Mean is equal to multiply by quantity or unit by price. So you can see this is the paste function and now this is dim. It's not highlighted. Okay, because copy function is not activated. So today if you simply select this column, control plus C, then if you want to paste here, then control V, so you can see all 0. So because a formula is already applied, so if you will copy these value, and copy and paste will not work. So now press Ctrl Z to undo. So guys, first of all you need to select the data and then use shortcut key Ctrl plus C. Then decide where this data need to be pasted. Suppose that in this cell. Then what you have to do? Hold the Alt key, press E, then press S. So this type of a dialog box will be appeared. Then you need to select the values, only values. Click on this, press OK. See, this is the data. The same data pasted here. So by this way, you can copy the data wherever any formula is applied. By this function, you can make your life easier and you can save your time. So guys, if you like this function, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.